Good morning, everyone. We are from the Group 4 discussing the 5 birds endangered in the Philippines. I am Daniel May Castro together with Rosenda de la Peña, Joser Catoriano, and River Friends. When bleeding heart doves cry. There are many endangered species found in Mindoro Islands, such as the Mindoro bleeding heart. It has a scientific name of galiculumba platenae and has a local name of Lado, Manatad, Manuk-manuk, Punay, Punalada, and Kulo-kulo. It is a kind of ground dove which weighs over 184 grams as an adult and has a wingspan of 38 centimeters and a lifespan of 15 to 25 years. Bleeding heart are so called because of a vivid red or orange patch of plumage on the breast of the bird that resembles a puncture wound. The ICUN Red List, or the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List of Threatened Species, classifies it as a critically endangered in year 1997 with an estimate of just 50 to 249 mature individuals. It is threatened by habitat loss and trapping. Extreme loss of forest was caused by illegal logging, dynamite blasting for marble, and slash and burn or kaingin.
Christmas Frigatebird. Its scientific name is Fregata andrewsi. Habitat: this large black seabird nests in tall trees in the forest and feeds primarily on flying fish, squid, and other marine life. This species breeds in the low, dry forest of the island, mostly in the outer part in tall trees. They usually in tall trees such as terminalia Katala or almond tree and Celtis timorensis occasionally ficus. The population is around 3,600 until 7,200. The coast that are now endangered is habitat clearance and that's fallout from prolific mining, marine pollution, overfishing, and recreational fishing here. And when are they announced as endangered? Occidental Mindoro on June 25, 2018, released by the Mindoro Biodiversity Conservation Foundation (ENC).
Katala, the beautiful mimic of Palawan. Its scientific name, Cacatua haematuropygia. It's evident why the locally known Kalangay or Katala, aka the red-vented Philippine cockatoo, is so popular. The bird's beautiful white plumage is made to look even more striking beautiful of red and yellow undertail coverts. The innate ability to mimic a human voice make this special species even more interesting. The Philippines cockatoo, once indigenous all around the Philippines, made it to the IUCN's Red List as a critically endangered species because of rampant poaching and eradication by local farmers who consider them as pests. The Rasa Island Wildlife Sanctuary in Nara, Southern Palawan, served as the stronghold for the Philippines cockatoo. From 23 specimens when they started in 1998, the numbers have grown to more than 300. According to the Katala Foundation Incorporation Chief Operating Officer Indira Lacerna Whitman, that figure comprises 1/3 of the global population of the species, all the more reasons for the foundation to continue the advocacy to save the Katala.
Philippine Eagle at the Philippine Eagle Center, Davao City. The Philippine Eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle or great Philippine eagle, is an endangered species of eagle of the family Accipitridae, which is endemic to forests in the Philippines. It has brown and white plumage, a shaggy crest, and generally measures 86 to 102 cm in length and weight for 0.4 to 8 kilograms. The Philippine eagle is considered the largest of the instant eagle in the world in terms of length and wing surface, with only Steller's sea eagle and the harpy eagle being larger in terms of weight and bulk. Among the rarest and most powerful birds in the world, it has been declared the Philippine national bird. It is critically endangered mainly due to massive loss of habitat resulting from deforestation in most of the range. Killing a Philippine eagle is punishable under Philippine law by up to 12 years in prison and in heavy fines.
Kalaw, the forest natural timekeeper. The Rufous hornbill, scientific name of Buceros hydrocorax, also known as the Philippine hornbill and locally as Kalaw, is a large species of hornbill endemic to the Philippines. They are referred by locals as the clock of the mountains due to its large booming call which typically occur of every hour. It occurs in moist tropical lowland forest. They are now considered to be a threatened species, and its reasons for decline being habitat destruction, hunting, and poaching for the illegal pet trade. It is illegal to hunt, capture, or possess Rufous hornbills under Philippine law RA 9147. The two most endangered hornbill species in the world, the Sulu hornbill and the Rufous-headed hornbill, are found in Jolo, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Punay, Guimaras, and Negros. The species has gone locally extinct in Cavite and Mount Palay-Palay due to hunting and the construction of roads in the Cagayan Valley.